Hello everyone. Recently my laptop key was not working properly, especially shift key. So I wanted a solution for this. So I came across this article by make use of. So what this article says is that we can do key remapping with this software, namely sharpkeys. Okay. So let's download this. So what the software does is it maps our key from one key to another and exchange their works. Okay, so download this zip file and then unzip it, and I show you how to do this. Okay, so I've already unzipped it here, and now we need to run this application. Okay, click yes, and then now you can see I have already applied one key here, and you just need to click over this add button. Now the key you want to exchange, you should choose one from here and then map that key to here, and then this key will mapped back to this key automatically. Okay, so let's say I want to map F1 key. Okay, so I want to map F1 key with F2 key, so I'll select F1 to let's say F2. Okay, so what this will do is when you will press F1 it will work as F2, and when you will press F2 it will work as F1. Means the functions of the keys will be exchanged to each other. Okay, so click OK and then click write to registry. So click OK. This now you can see there is this registered key here. Now what you need to do is you need to restart your laptop or computer, and then it will start working. Okay, so what you can do is if some key is missing in your laptop or not working properly, what you can do is you can map that key to some other key that you don't use a lot. Like I use shift a lot and that was not working on my computer, so I shifted the shift, so I mapped the shift key to caps key and caps to shift. Okay, so that's how I solved this problem. Now this is a temporary solution. This does not permanently changes the work of your keyboard, and if you want to delete this key you can delete here. Okay, and if you don't want this software anymore you can uninstall this software and the keys will work properly, all fine. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Bye bye.